Idol, kailan ang best time to walk to burn fat? Ang best time is our 16-hour fast. Kasi ang binaburn mo na dun is fat stores, nakaketosis tayo. There's 16-hour fast or above, 24 hours, 20 hours. Or after a physical hard activity tulad ng sports, basketball, marathon, running, jogging, cycling, zumba, skip rope. Or after a workout, kasi binaburn natin sa lahat ng activities na yan, pati workout. Ang workout lang nagbibuild ng muscle. Tapos lahat sila ng activities na mataas yung heart rate, elevated heart rate, baburn ng glycogen stores, which is carb stores sa muscles at liver. After nun, binaburn mo na fat. So pag nag-walking ka 15 minutes to an hour or 2 hours, window shopping, saka ka kumain, baburn ka ng fat. Kaya naglalakad ka lang sa mall, kasama mo yung aso mo, yung anak mo, okay yun, nagbaburn ka ng fat. Tapos may nagtatanong, kailan ang best time? Kasi athlete ako sa football na i-break ang fast. Pwedeng before yung event mo para may energy ka, before and after. Ganun lang. Do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. God bless.